Hi, I'm Danielle. I do too much. I like hair, talking, cosplay, music, art, and stuff. Did you miss me? Hello, and welcome to StarPuppy. I'm Danielle, your resident weirdo. And welcome to the Forgetful Weirdness. I guess you wondered where I've been. Well, I'll tell you. For the last couple of months, and I've talked about burnout before on this channel, but I had another massive bout of burnout. You know, I wasn't taking really good physical care of myself, and I don't know if I've said this on the channel before, but one of my favorite quotes is, "You can fight the body, but the body always wins." So my body won, and it was like, okay, we asked you to sit down, so now you go lay down. I adjusted the angle of the camera because I want you to see the pink pop of color in my sleeve, but it's not really working, is it? After taking a forcible break for a minute there, I went ahead and decided to just kind of lean into it, kind of take a respite, take a break. So I ended up going to MomoCon, and I met a bunch of you guys.
My contestants proceed up the stairs, and I'll help you.
Phenomenal. So it was a great show.
Hello everybody, my name is Danielle Glover. I am a YouTuber and a voice actor by trade. I do a lot of cosplaying, things you couldn't do what to do. I take a day off sometimes. I think everyone did a phenomenal job, and I think you should all be very proud of yourselves.
If you said hi to me, thank you for saying hi. I never expect to get recognized, especially at an anime convention. I'm a little excited about that since you guys know I'm making a new nerdier StarPuppy offshoot channel, which is already up. I just haven't uploaded anything on it. Working on it. Got several videos in the works. They're gonna be good. Subscribe if you want to be the first ones there. In the last couple of videos, I documented myself getting into like more exercise and meditation and taking care of my physical and mental self. So I just kind of continued doing that. I've been wearing athleisure almost every day since that video. It's been really nice in getting myself like motivated to actually exercise, because I already feel like I look good. So yay! I've been doing more yoga because I have, you know, some goals that I want to hit. I want to perfect my middle split, and I'd like to be a little more bendy and calmer in general, and I think it's been really helping. I feel very even these days, which has been a rarity in my adult life. Also, I mean, that brings us to today's sponsor, Ritual. So this multivitamin formula I'm using is clinically backed with high quality nutrients to help fill common dietary gaps. They're vegan-friendly, non-GMO products, certified, gluten-free, major allergen-free, without extras or artificial colorants. It's designed to support foundational health with key nutrients to support brain health and bone health, blood building, and antioxidant support. You know, the foundation. What I really like about Ritual and why I trust them is because it's backed by the first visual supply chain of its kind. So you know where the labeled ingredients come from and why they're there. I also like the delayed release capsule design. It's designed to dissolve later in the small intestines, which is like the ideal place to absorb nutrients. It's also designed to be gentle on the stomach, and I have a very gentle tummy. So you can take it with or without food, which I really appreciate. There's also a very important happiness guarantee. If you don't love your Ritual after 30 days, they'll refund your money with no questions asked. And that's on confidence in your product, all right? So please go into the description box and check out Ritual using my link and my code as seen on TV or on phone or on computer, and tell them I sent you. And thank you so much to Ritual for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Let's get back into it. I've also just been like finally able to get a bunch of my friends into my hobbies. I've been like luring them towards for like weeks to months to years. Like, I finally got one of my best buddies into gaming, and we've completed 2 games together now, and I think I got her hooked. You know who you are. I'ma get you. I'ma get you. A big catalyst of this has been Tears of the Kingdom. No spoilers. I swear I would never do that without a warning. Tears of the Kingdom is the latest Legend of Zelda game, and it is gigantic. And I wasn't able to play it when it immediately came out. I was way too busy with work. But now I got time. So my time goes to the Tears of the Kingdom. Time of the Kingdom is now. The way I play games, I think, would be kind of frustrating to a lot of people. I think that's a main reason I don't do like Let's Plays on this channel and don't plan to do them ever, really. Because the way I play Tears of the Kingdom is I just want all the special horses, and I want all my favorite outfits, and I want to complete the cookbook. And there are like some side quests I'm really, really weirdly actually invested in. I don't care about the main plot, not even a little bit. I didn't even finish Breath of the Wild. I like literally did all of the boss fights and then just never finished the game. I was like, I don't care, I know what happens. Ooh, a new outfit. I want to get all the outfits. I want to dye them all pink because I really and truly am that girl. It's not my fault. It's not. I paid my dollars. I can play it however I want to play it. To counteract this, because I've realized I'm a bit of a hermit, and that's not really good for me. I don't really know what I am, an extrovert or an introvert. I was introverted when I was younger, and I was way more extroverted when I was a little older, younger, and now I have no idea what's happening. I mean, I'm totally cool to hang at the house, but like come to my house, but then like let's go out dancing. I think I'm just balanced now. What is happening in my life? All this balance and consistency. What's happening? So I've been going out a lot more. What was that? How do I shove myself in the locker? What is that? What is this? Ew. Ew. Anyway, I've been going out a lot more with friends. I've been bonding a lot more with some newer friends, and bonding even more deeply with like my OG friends. I've just been like a lot more vivacious and like outgoing lately. Yeah, I've just been like going to social events like MomoCon. I plan on making the most of con season. So if you're thinking about going to any cons here in Atlanta, please go. And if you see me, say hello, please. I love it. It's so nice to meet you guys. You're all so lovely. Oh, I'm so lucky. I've been going out dancing a lot more, like just really expressing myself with like dance and like meeting new people, remembering that I'm a very friendly person. I kind of forgot that part of myself, so that's been really nice. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna say this part, but yes, I hear you, and the answer is no, you can't go outside. Oh, so hurt. Oh my goodness, never been outside, has never been pet. Oh, poor unfortunate Sam, has never been pet. I never let you out onto the patio, do I? We didn't take an hour-long walk today or anything. Damn, oh, you're so cute. What are these meager efforts? Where are you trying to go? What's the goal? Oh. Beautiful. Stunning. Perfect. Look at this gorgeous animal. She's as hilarious and sweet as she is beautiful. Lucky. Yeah, and because I've been going out more, I've been meeting new people. Next subject. Oh, another thing. I have my, it's either, depending on how you count piercings, I count each individual like piercing. So depending on how you count, I either have my 8th or my 10th piercing. Look at this lighting. Horrendous. What jaw? Where'd my jaw go? Anyway, I've got to stop filming right here. It's too sunny. It makes me look like I have no bones. It's just flesh. Don't look at my buckshot. Everyone shut up. So I have my conch, my flat. I have a secret, terrible, did it at Claire's with a gun, helix. Then I got upper lobe, lower lobe. I'm trying to figure out if I want to get the tragus on this side or the forward helix, this little tiny guy right here. And then I'll probably have to be done with that ear because I only have so much ear. Or I can get another lobe or another upper lobe that'll always keep a stud in it because it's like this cute little cul-de-sac of my ear. I will never pierce my face, so off limits. But my ears are fair game, as you can see. So I have my industrial, which I count as 2 piercings, but some people think it's 1. I don't think so. I got stabbed twice. It's 2 piercings. Anyway, then I have my lower and upper lobe, and then, yeah, this is the new piercing. I'm not touching it because I take the healing process very seriously. This is actually, what is she called? Technically it's called a DOS, but no one likes saying that because it's like, so it's a daith, like colloquially. So yeah, that's what's going on there. Isn't it beautiful? And it's healing so well. And there's a cute little mole in my ear. I don't know if I'm in focus, and if I'm not, c'est la vie. I got more of my piercing plan done. I'll probably get the forward helix. No, I'll probably get the tragus on this one and maybe a forward helix here or vice versa. What do y'all think? I don't know. Leave a comment. But also, because I have a very introverted side to myself, it's like who I was for like most of my childhood. There's a nerd in this very loud theater kid body. I've been drawing a lot more, and nope, I'm not showing it on here. I'll show it on Patreon. I'm too shy. And on the new channel, I'll probably do that, but I'm certain that a lot of these drawings are never gonna see the light of YouTube day. I'm not gonna hold you. I've been doing a lot of drawing. I'm making an animation Bible for a special project, so keep your ear to the ground. I've been also writing in conjunction with that same project. It's actually several projects under like 2 larger umbrellas. I'm just trying to get it together enough that I can present it on Patreon and get some feedback. If you'd like to follow along with that some more, go ahead and head to my Patreon and do what you can. If you'd like, no pressure. It's been really refreshing to get back to my quiet drawing, writing kid roots. I've basically my entire life just bounced between introversion, like writing, drawing, animating, you know, reading, single player video games, these things, like quiet activities like gardening. Oh my god, I've been in my gardening bag. Let's do this, but not right now. And my extroverted side, performance, singing, dancing, voice acting, on-screen acting, getting out there, dancing with homies. Thank you to Ritual I'll link it below. Thank you to Ritual, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed the video.
This has been me, Danielle, your resident weirdo StarPuppy, signing out. Say it with me now. StarPuppy away! Yay!